MetaTrader 4 winning Forex trading strategy. This strategy is strictly meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4. Make sure you open an account with regulated Forex brokers. Outside there, we have a lot of best Forex brokers that you can open an account with. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these regulated Forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open a demo account with any of the regulated Forex brokers in my video description. Try out your strategy on the demo account before you go live with your hard-earned money. It is important that you trade on regulated Forex brokers. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning Forex trading strategy. Once again, welcome to my channel. Now let us move on to today's strategy. On my chart, I do have a few indicators that I've combined together, and all the indicators I combine together here do not repeat, and the fact that it does not repeat does not make it 100% accurate, and that is why I added few indicators together to come up with this particular strategy that you can use profitably on any regulated Forex brokers. You can use this strategy on any time frame you want, and you can use it to scalp even in 1 minute time frame. Now let me explain how I use this particular strategy profitably on MetaTrader 4 brokers. I have this indicator here that does not repaint. This does not repaint. The two line does not repaint. It changes from red to a line. Red is for sell. Red is for sell, and the line is for buy. Then I have this arrow here that does not repaint also. Just allow the candle to close. Once the candle close, then you can enter your trade. Once the candle close, you can enter your trade. Now let us move on to today's strategy. On my chart, I have few indicators that I've combined together to come up with this winning trading strategy for MetaTrader 4 Forex brokers. On my chart, I have few indicators. This indicator does not repaint. It changes from red to lime for a buy. Red is for sell and lime colored is for buy. And I have this indicator, this arrow indicator, that does not repaint once the candle close. So allow the candle to close before you place your trade. If not, it might disappear. Just allow the candle to close. Then the third indicator I have here is this particular indicator here that does not repaint once the arrow close also. So it is important that you allow the candle to close rather before you consider either you want to place order for a sell or for a buy. And on your right hand side here, I have this probability indicators that do give us the probability either to sell or to buy. And here we have this also telling us what we have on the different time frame. If it is lime color here, it is buy, and orange is for sell. So you know what is going on all the time frame, even when you do not turn to different time frame. This is MACD candles that give us all these parameters. Now let me show you how I use this particular strategy profitably. The first thing you look out for, make sure you have all the indicators in agreement. I have this arrow indicator here, the first one. I have the second arrow indicator that does not repeat after the candle close, so it's going to form on this. It's going to show, that means you are going to enter on this second candle if you want to place a trade, and we wait for this particular indicator to turn to line for a buy, since we have all the indicators in agreement pointing up. Then the last indicator, we have it here pointing up, and when you check here, nearly all the time frames are line telling us we are good to take a buy trade. And when you check the percentage, it is good to go long. It's actually coming from a 0 to this particular point. So at this point you can place your trade for a buy, and you are going to make money trading this particular strategy, since the trend is stay up. And you can get out of your trade when you see the opposite arrow flashing. You can get out of your trade and look out for another point, either to enter more trade. Let's move back a bit to see this particular strategy in action. Here is another setup. We have all the indicators in agreement, and this did delivered. And when you want to enter more trade, you can do that with this particular arrow indicator. This is just continuation. At this particular point, we have this giving us a buy signal, but when you check this indicator, it did not give us any confirmation to enter sell. So this is a continuation arrow in the direction of the main trend. So you can use this on any time frame. Let's check it on 1 hour time frame. Here is it on 1 hour time frame. We have the first arrow here, the second confirmation, this returned, and we have a good run for a buy, and your stop loss will just be a few pips below the previous low. When you have this particular arrow, your stop loss will be a few pips below it, and your risk to reward ratio can be 1:1 or 1:2. All depends on you, or you lock in part of your profit. And let's check it out on 5-minute time frame. Here is it on 5-minute time frame, and we have a good setup, a good run for a buy. This is another continuation here. We still have all the indicators in agreement. So this is a good settings or strategy that you can use profitably on any time frame that you want. Just make sure you follow the simple analysis. Here we have a sell signal at this particular point, followed by this arrow, and we have confirmation at this particular point. We have confirmation at this particular point. We have confirmation at this particular point, and so this did delivered If you check lower time frame too, either 1 minute, you can still use it profitably. And here we have where the signal was generated. We have confirmation here, the second arrow, and this did deliver, and this was a good upward ride. So you can use this on any time frame and on any pairs, either on the Euro USD. This is a New Zealand USD. You can use it on Bitcoin, on cryptocurrency. And let me show you what I have here. Now I have it on BTC USD. I place order for a buy. We have a good setup here. As I said, you can use it on any time frame. And here is it. You can check the history. We have a good ride, a good profit using this particular strategy. This is BTC USD on 5-minute time frame. When you check here, we have the arrow giving us a buy signal. We have the confirmation here, and the last indicator did confirm this upward trend here on 5-minute time frame, and this is still running. And I enter another trade on the SRP USD for a buy. So you can check the history. The arrow indicator do not repeat, and that's why you have a lot of it around here. So this did confirm the signal that I'll be generating from the other indicators from this particular point. We have the confirmation here from this arrow, and they did confirm it for upward trend. And this is how to use this particular strategy on any time frame. Just make sure you practice and practice it well on any other indices, cryptocurrency or forex pairs. Just make sure you practice it well. And when you check on this particular cryptocurrency pair, this is BCHUSD. We have the first signal here giving us a set signal, and when you look at this, nearly all the time frame orange telling us we should look for a set signal. And at this particular point, we have the arrow indicator did confirm this downward move. We are waiting for the last indicator to turn to red, then we can place our trade. This is how to use this particular strategy profitably on MetaTrader 4, and make sure you register with regulated forex brokers and do open a demo account to practice your strategy before you go live with your hard-earned money. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. In my video description, as I said, I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open an account with them. All the indicators I use for these particular strategies are free, and you can download it for free. Kindly check my video description for the links to download all the indicators that I use for this particular strategy. I did include my template so that you have the same chart like mine. I do not want to go over all the indicators one by one and showing you the setting. Just make sure you download the indicator and put the indicator in the indicator window. And let me quickly show you how to do that before I end this video. I see some people still asking me how to do that. Once you download any of my indicators, go to your file here, then go to open data folder. Then go to your MQL4. If this is MT4, then click on indicators, then paste all the indicators you have, paste it here. Just right click it, then click on paste. If you've copied anything, this paste will work. Just paste it, and after you've done that, click on this back arrow and again click on it. Then you see template here, then drop my template here, drop my template here. Just right click and copy and paste my template that you've downloaded here, then you can close it. After that, then go to template here. Let me try and circle this so that you see what I'm trying to point out to you, this particular point, and click on it. Then you can pick the template, you see the name here, then click on it, then you have the same chart like mine. So this is how to do that. Make sure you download it. I come your way again. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do not forget to turn on your notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy or indicators, either for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Bye for now.